I think this is one of the most important events in this region, and I think we can get the leadership of the telecom, and also we can share our ideas with all the industry partners. I think it's quite important for Huawei, and we always feel pleasure to attend this kind of summit. Yeah. The main idea I would like to deliver is, even though 5G, in terms of the massive deployment, I think there will still 3 to 5 years in this region, in most of the countries. But however, I think 5G will be quite important for the transformation of the society, especially for the digitalization of the different industries. If we look at right now the telecom development in China, I think the 4G deployment, significantly drive the economic structure change. I think the same thing will happen in Middle East region and all the countries, even though they are not starting the 5G deployment, but I think they have to think about how to make the good arrangement of the 5G plan and the resources from now on. I think this is the main idea I would like to deliver. It's not like I think we have to jump into the 5G deployment right now, but I think all the industry should think about how to plus 5G right now. Yeah. Maybe the use case for 5G in the future could be beyond our imagination, but so far, as per our insights, I think the top use case will be in several domains. The first domain is still, for the consumer part, for the information and the entertainment. I believe the VR, AR, and the 360 broadcasting, all this technology is there. But why it's not in massive commercialization? Just because of the lack of the infrastructure to enable that. I think that is the most important part, and also this will definitely enhance the the telecom revenue for the consumer market. And which is more important, I think 5G will open the new application scenario and the use case in terms of the enterprise and the vertical markets. Yeah. I believe 5G add the feature of the massive connection and the low latency. So that will enable the Internet of Things and in a very large manner. I think all the industry, they have to utilize the feature of 5G to make the application more agile and more intelligent, and this will significantly change this society, how this society is working. So I believe such like the connected car, and also the smart agriculture and the intelligent production. I think this will be all popular in different countries. Yep. Because the economy is growing, and I think the people would like to definitely for the in-house mobile broadband. It is still the big opportunity for the telecom operators. And apart from that, I think the Internet of Things, I could see a very bright future. And I believe right now is the time to incubate the business model for the Internet of Things. And I believe even for the different industry like oil, like even some farming, and we can always introduce the IoT. Yeah, from now on, even not waiting for 5G, we can use the 4G to, to facilitate. Yeah. As per my information, I think we have a close cooperation with the industry partners, such like the chipset provider, and Huawei is also one of the chipset provider, and we have our devices manufacturing. And as per the roadmap of most of the partners, I believe in the mid of the next year, the smartphone will be available in the market, and I think the price will be in the very reasonable range, yeah, to be afforded. Yeah, so I believe at that stage, 5G will come into a very mature commercial deployment, and the operator will benefit from migrating the current user to 5G, so that they can, further enhance the user experience and reduce the cost per base. I believe right now the challenge is about how to monetize the investment and how to monetize the infrastructure and then make sure even the network and service is evolving. However, the cost is controlled. Yeah, in this sense, I think Huawei is keeping our investment hugely on the R&D. Try to make sure the technology can benefit the operator in terms of reduce the cost per base, and also we are trying to use our product and the technology, even try to save the cost for the which is not part of Huawei's solution. For example, the operator is actually investing a lot on the spectrum or even the site rental and the facilities. Huawei always focus on the business solution, which can save their CapEx and OpEx in terms of the passive investment and even the daily rental, such kind of OpEx. So this is also the part Huawei is focusing and would like to benefit the operator. But I think the last not least, I think the digital transformation is also critical for the operator, how to make sure the operator can bring better user experience. However, at the same time, they will be more agile and cost efficient. And in this part, I think Huawei is operating our strategy of softcom, and we will try to use the cloud architecture, and also in the future maybe the AI technology. Yeah, try to make sure the operator can have a very solid infrastructure to enable their excellent operation in the future. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.